So that was a tour of apartment number 1. Now let's head on into apartment number 2, which is also on the first floor. And now we are entering apartment number 2 through this door right here. Okay. So as soon as you come in, you're entering through into the living room. So again, you can see there's plenty of light through the big windows. That right there is the kitchen. That door leads to the ramp entrance that I showed you earlier. Let's move on to the other side of the room. So again, kitchen, that's the bathroom, that's a coat closet. That's the door we came in from. And this right here is the master, which I'm going to show you later. And then right here is the main bathroom. But again, as you can see, it needs a lot of work. So everything in here is probably going to go, since nothing is salvageable. Okay, now let's walk into the master bedroom. So again, you can see it's a nice big room with lots of natural light coming in through the windows. There's a nice big bay window on the right. That's the door we came in from. And this unit is actually the only unit in the whole house that currently has 1.5 baths. All of the other units have just 1 bathroom. This is the only one that has 1.5. So technically it has a master already, but it's a half bathroom, so we need to do something about it. Let me show you what it looks like right now. So again, it has a toilet and a vanity. So we're actually going to extend it out a little bit and put in a shower. So this will become a proper bathroom. And then we're adding a closet that'll go in that corner. So let me take you into the back of the house now. We will go into the kitchen. So again, right now we're in the living room, which I've already showed you. And now we're entering into the kitchen. This apartment actually has a really nice big kitchen. Let me show you what it looks like. It's huge, but again, it's dated. These cabinets, it's like a mixture of metal cabinets on the bottom and then these big wood cabinets on top, but it's not a very functional space right now. So again, here we're creating an L shape. So the countertops, the new countertops are gonna go this way and then against that wall. Okay, off of the kitchen is the second bedroom. It's a smaller space again, but it is functional, has a closet already in it, so that's something we do not need to construct. And this apartment has a blue color on the walls. We're going to change that. For all of the apartments, we are going to give them a fresh coat of paint, and it's going to be a nice neutral color. Okay, so that was apartment number 2. Now let me take you upstairs to apartments 3 and 4. One of the things that I love about the house is all of the original woodwork, which I'm going to try and preserve as much as I can wherever possible. Now let's head on upstairs to the second floor. Okay, so when you come up to the landing, we have 2 options. We can either go right or we can go left. Right, each of these doors goes to a separate apartment. I'm actually going to show you apartment number 4 first, and then I'm going to save the best for last. This apartment it's something, so we'll leave that for the end. Right now, let's go ahead and enter apartment number 4 through this entryway. All right, so as we enter, we are in the living room. Let me walk across to the other side and show you what the view looks like from here. Again, you can see a little bit of a mismatch on the doors there. That door is obviously newer, but not as beautiful as the original door. So that's the door we came in from. That is the bathroom. And here on our right is a coat closet. And then this door leads into the master bedroom, which I will show you later. And then that door right there takes us into the kitchen. Let me show you the one and only bathroom in this unit. Again, it's small. It has this big tub that is taking up so much space. And it's also darkening up the space because there's a wall and then there's no light where the toilet is, so you'd be sitting in the dark on the toilet. And then the vanity. So we're changing everything out in here. We're actually going to replace the tub with a shower and then putting in a new vanity, toilet, fresh paint on the walls, brightening it up. Because as of now, what we have here is just not functional. Okay, and then this door leads into the master bedroom. They decided to use really bright colors in this apartment. We have pink and blue and bright green in the room in the back. Okay, so again, it's a nice big room. Unfortunately, right now it's not a proper master because one, it doesn't have a closet. We're actually going to build a closet in that corner. And then it also doesn't have a master bath. So that door is going to lead into the master bathroom. And I'm going to show you what that's going to look like in a little bit. But for now, let's head on over to the back of the apartment, walking through the living room into the kitchen. This apartment has a slightly smaller kitchen, but these big windows bring in so much light, and because the ceilings are so tall, it creates so much more space in here. And again, here they have really dated cabinets, all of which have got to go. We're going to do something similar here, L-shaped kitchen. So cabinets and countertops going this way, and then more against that wall. Turning around, behind me now you see the bedroom in the back. On my right is a closet for the second bedroom. And then this is the second bedroom. You can see they went crazy with the color here on the wall. They did do a good job with the floors here. This is the only room in the whole house that has nice finished flooring. Okay. So that's what apartment number 3 looks like. Now let's head on over to apartment number 4. As I mentioned earlier, I wanted to save the best for last. This apartment it's special. And you'll see why.